Hello बच्चों, let's have a look at this question which says give the conjugate base of NH3. तो क्वेश्चन में हमें NH3 और अमोनिया मॉलिक्यूल दिया है and we have to figure out the conjugate base of this molecule, that is ammonia. The key concept is conjugate acid and bases. सबसे पहले हम conjugate acids and bases का उनके original species से relation समझ लेते हैं. Let's say we have an acid which is undergoing loss of proton. So after the removal of proton from the acid, the resulting species that is formed will be the conjugate base of that acid. Similarly, अगर हमारे पास एक बेस है जिसमें से प्रोटॉन का एडिशन हो रहा है, okay, so the resulting species which is formed after the addition of proton to the base is known as its conjugate acid. एक रिएक्शन की हेल्प से इसे समझते हैं. HA is an acid. Suppose HA is an acid which is reacting with a base B in a reversible reaction. HA will lose a proton and will transform into A negative. Okay, as we saw earlier, the species or the resulting species which is formed after an acid loses its proton is the conjugate base of that acid, whereas the species formed when a proton is accepted by a base is the conjugate acid of that base. अब क्वेश्चन में हमें NH3 molecule दिया है which is ammonia. The question says give the conjugate base of ammonia. अभी हमने ऊपर देखा the conjugate base is formed when a proton is removed from the acid, which means ammonia is the acid here. If we remove a proton from this species minus H plus or minus proton, the resulting species will be NH2 with a negative sign. So ammonia loses a proton and is transformed into amide ion. This amide ion is the conjugate base of ammonia. Okay, so NH2 negative, that is amide ion, is the conjugate base of ammonia NH3. I hope you understood it well. Thank you.